Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set up Windows Hello PIN in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Accounts. Click Sign In Options. Click PIN. Click Setup. Type your password. Type PIN. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.